Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope we're doing well. I have such an exciting package to unbox for you guys today. My amazing friends over at Sideshow decided to reach out to me and send me something very special. This was all a complete surprise, so I had no idea what they were gonna send me. I have never gotten a box from Sideshow before, so when it showed up at my front door, I was so excited. I mean, I grew up around all of the life-sized Sideshow statues that my uncle had, and I was always raised around Sideshow. I'm incredibly grateful. So shout out to Sideshow. Thank you so much. So to start really quickly, they sent me over this incredible book. It's a Art of Sideshow Collecting a Galaxy book on how they made all of the models, how they did all the concept art for everything that Sideshow has made. I have looked through this entire book. I'm obsessed with it. As many of you know, I do paint models. I make miniature models for Star Wars Legion and some of the Star Wars tabletop games like Imperial Assault. So everything about model making and painting and creating is very near and dear to my heart. So, I mean, it shows you how they made the Vader stuff, their premium format figures, K2SO, Vader. We have to get to my favorite. I mean, it's my dream. I've told all of my friends that it's my dream to own just a ton of life-sized Star Wars stuff. Eventually, I just want to have my entire house filled to the brim with just life-sized characters. It's my dream. It's what I want to accomplish in life. The Sideshow Darth Maul bust is my #1 wish to have one day. This is it. This is the bust. The Darth Maul bust. It's incredible. But this entire book is incredible. It's just a thick book of how they made all their Sideshow statues and everything. But yeah, they sent over that book, which was incredibly nice, but they also sent over a gigantic box. Now, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this box is much bigger than it seems. This is a giant box. This is huge. And I looked at it and I was like, oh my God, what could that be? And I looked at the top and it says, The Mandalorian. And since I put 2 and 2 together, and it also says the child on it, I was like, oh, I know what this is. This is the bounty. And we're gonna dive into it today. I'm just so ready to own a child of my own. Also, just to preface, I did have an old child, but I bought it secondhand for really cheap on Facebook Marketplace, and it turns out the head was completely dented in, the hair was missing on the top, etc., etc. So I'm very excited to have one that is alive. Oh my gosh. I mean, this is a big box. This is a huge box. So this model is actually life-size. So this is how big Grogu is in real life. Look how cute this box is. Now I just need a life-sized Mandalorian, Din Djarin, to go with this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have Greetings, Guild member, and congratulations on acquiring the asset. Show us how the child fits in your life and tag us. Oh, that's so cute. I'm gonna do a little photo shoot with Grogu. Okay, so wow, there's a lot that we are looking at right here. I'm gonna put this on the ground. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's lighter than I thought it would be, which is good. There's holes in this box, so I think he can still breathe. Okay, I think it's good. Let's see. Okay, maybe we should open him up this way. Let's open him up this way. All right. Oh, he's face down. Grogu is face down. Okay, so we have these little packets. Here we have the little knob for the Razor Crest. Rest in peace. Okay, so right here we have the base for the model. It's a heavy base. Oh, and on the bottom, there's a design on it with him and Grogu when they first met. So this is gonna be the base for the model, how he is propped up and everything. And here we have the baby. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, his little hair. He feels feels real. I feel like he's gonna start moving if I touch his little head. So here we have the baby. Look at his little nose. I'm gonna get some close-up shots for you guys, but this little dude is so cute. When it comes down to the detail of everything and the paint job and the attention to detail, it's just unmatched. I love the work they do. It's always incredible. I'm in awe. I'm in awe of the work they do. So he has a little hole on his foot. I don't know if you guys can see, but he has a little hole in his foot, and all you have to do is attach this part to the little knob on the base. There we go. And here he is. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, wow, look at him. He's such a proud little dude. Okay, and he gets this little knob too, and it's this little ball he plays with. You just put it into his little hand like this, and it's a magnet, so it magnetizes to the hand. Anyways, let me know if you guys have the Grogu statue from Sideshow. I love this little guy. He's an incredible life-size statue. He's the perfect life-size statue for anybody wanting to get into collecting life-size Star Wars stuff. Sideshow has such a huge collection of everything, and I'm such a fan of their stuff. So this is definitely a fine addition to my collection. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, night, wherever you are, and may the Force be with you. Or should I say, this is the way. Oh my gosh, wait! I should make Beskar chainmail for him. Let me know if I should do that. Okay, bye.